Earth is the only known planet where life does exist. Maybe there is existence of life in universe, but we haven't found it yet. So we can assume that there is not existence of element of life as scientists have researched on solar systems, planet and their moons. So let's get back to the point. Here we are going to talk about humans as everyone is rare in their own way. I am going to take it first about physics, chemistry and geology because that's for another story. This episode is more about humans as biology. So before 13.8 billion years ago, Big Bang happened. After 100-200 million years, Milky Way was born. And our solar system is 4.5 billion years old. Earth was just a fireball rotating around the sun without atmosphere. And then an asteroid hits Earth and gave it a spin and changed its orientation about 23.5 degrees. And that asteroid is our moon. Then in million years, because of H2O gets liquefied as water. Microbes born from organic material from the rocks beneath the ocean. They consumed CO2, released O2. With time, Earth cooled its atmosphere, and the sun provided the sunlight and elements to live life on this very planet. Life was developing with time. Many species got extinct, and evolution happened. As it was bacteria without eyes, then with time it becomes fish. With time it gets eyes and we have eyes to see in water. That's why it needs to be wet, and when it gets dry, it irritates and tears produce, means those microbes who were ancestors of trees as well as ours. Even we share genes with the trees as trees' DNA matches with humans and every living one. And that's the process of follow by any planet to make life possible. And I don't think if there is any planet like this in solar system, and we haven't gone out of our solar system yet. That was terrific. Whole universe and life in just one shot. Let's get into biology of human birth. First of all, before birth of female child. During fetal life, 6 to 7 million eggs are present. With time, they decrease. And at the time of birth, this number becomes about 1 or 2 millions. And up to puberty, it's about 300 or 400,000. Out of them, only 200 or 300 eggs are capable for placing sperms inside it. Also, with age, their number decreases and it gets almost impossible to become parent. Now, let's talk about males. Every second testicles make approximately 1500 sperms. At the time of release, every time its number is about somewhere in between 300 to 400 millions. Out of them, only 40% are capable for reproduction, and those 40% swim inside vagina to fallopian tubes. Most of them dies before entering the region. Only those who are strong enough to penetrate inside the eggs, those are just one or none. You saw that one? That's the 1 out of millions. With time, this sperm inside the egg takes shape of human, and after 9 months, here is the infant baby. So, this is brief talk about birth of humans. We all are sperms. A single cell with time becomes a human. Isn't it fascinating and surprising enough that you're so rare? Out of 300 eggs and 300 million sperms, you take place inside the egg as a sperm. So, respect the life you have, as we are only species that can think and talk about everything we want. Embrace this life and contribute something to this world for the sake of yourself and mankind. Explore the world and yourself. There are endless possibilities hidden. You need to see it. Even we are way behind in the field of science and technology. What we have right now is not even 1% of technology in next 200 years. What we know is just the basics, and we are just playing with it right now. Because humans are real voyager, and this world neither enough nor capable for humans for a future. Why? Stay tuned with the golden conjunction, and I hope you find this video informative.